Hello, today our topic is Laplace Transform. Our reference is Mathematical Physics, 4th edition by B.D. Gupta. So let's begin. The operation Laplace Transform L for a function, let's say a function of t, is defined as integral from 0 to infinity exponential minus st, then the function f of t with respect to t for t greater than or equal to 0. So this is how you define Laplace transform. Okay, so let's use this formula or this definition to find the Laplace transform of some function. For example, so the first function we're going to deal with, f of t, is equal to 1. Second, the function we want to deal with, f of t, will just be t. And then third, f of t will be t to the power of n. Okay, so let's begin. Here the function of t given is just 1. So we're going to substitute this inside this formula and see how it's going to look like. Okay, so the Laplace of f of t is equal to integral from 0 to infinity minus st times 1 the t, and anything multiplied by 1 is still the same thing. So our integral of exponential minus st dt. Now if you recall, for you to integrate an exponential function, you need to define the power. You need to differentiate the power. So the power here we have is minus st. Okay, so we're going to differentiate the power with respect to t because here is the t. And then the power is minus st. If you differentiate t, you have minus s. Therefore, the integration of minus st is the same exponential minus st divided by minus s. Then the limit is from 0 to infinity. Now this is a definite integral, so there's no need of adding the constant. Now let's bring minus 1 over s outside, and then we leave exponential minus st inside the bracket. So we have minus 1 all over s into upper limit exponential minus infinity, which is 0, then minus the lower limit exponential 0. Whenever you see t, you put 0, so minus s times 0 is 0. Minus s times infinity is infinity. Okay, good. So minus 1 over s. Now exponential negative infinity is always 0, so 0 minus an exponential 0 is 1. So minus times minus makes it plus. Therefore, the Laplace transform of 1 is 1 over s, provided that s is greater than 0. Otherwise, the whole thing will become undefined.